Hey all, Dr. Paul Borosky here, owner of Quality Business Plan. And for this video, what I'd like to do is talk about technician shortages, specifically how to turn them into a competitive advantage. This video is great for auto repair owners and managers, HVAC, plumbing, also lawn equipment repair. All right, let's go ahead and jump into it. For this tip, it's going to come from a business consultant perspective, and it's focused on retain your employees. If you've got good employees, good technicians, make sure to protect them, make sure to take care of them. And a few ways you can do this: pay transparency. Make sure that you let them know what their hourly rate is, let them know what their overtime rate is, and let them know when they start accumulating it. Also, when you pay them, make sure to break down on a daily and weekly basis. Don't let your employees or your technicians feel like they're getting screwed over by money. Be transparent is going to go a long way with retaining. Next, protect your technicians from customers if at all possible, especially if you're in a shop location like auto repair or lawn repair. Make sure that you have qualified and trained individuals like your managers and your assistant managers, or even yourself as the owner. Take care of the employee, take care of the customers, and protect your technicians from the customers. Finally, communication. One of the best ways to retain your employees, especially your technicians, is have open communication. Talk to your employees, find out how their day was, find out if they're having any problems, find out what they need. If you have open communication, that is going to go a long way to retaining your employees. All right, let's go ahead and move to the next section. And the second tip for turning a technician shortage into a competitive advantage comes from a business plan writer perspective, and that is plan for it. You know what's going to happen. You know you're going to need to hire some new technicians. Well, plan for it. Put it in your marketing section. And yes, you are marketing for employees. Also, you know you want to retain your skilled technicians as well. Well, plan for that as well. Create a section in your business plan that is focused specifically on retaining your technicians. Do those two steps and you're going to be head and shoulders above the competition. All right, hopefully that information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. Hopefully that information was helpful. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky, owner of Quality Business Plan, and the services that I provide are business consulting, business plan writing, financial projections, as well as fractional COO, CFO services. You need some help? Feel free to contact me. I'd love to help. Thanks a lot.